buddies, welcome back to Book Tales with Kimaya, where we uncover the treasures of children's literature. I hope you've all had a fantastic week since our last review. Speaking of which, did you read Mr. Popper's Penguins by Florence and Richard Atwater? Hope you found it as enjoyable as a scoop of your favorite ice cream. Today, I want to talk about a classic book that I am sure many of you have heard of. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. This book has been entertaining children and adults alike for over 5 decades, and it's no wonder why. This book tells the story of a young boy named Charlie Bucket who lives in a tiny house with his parents and grandparents. But they are very poor and can barely afford to eat. But Charlie loves chocolate more than anything, and his dream is to visit Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, the most amazing and magical place on earth. Willy Wonka is a famous chocolatier who has kept his factory shut for years. But one day he announces that he will open the doors to five lucky children who find golden tickets hidden inside his chocolate bars. Charlie is one of the lucky winners, and he gets to visit the factory with four other children, each of them greedy, spoiled, and misbehaved. The characters in this book are incredibly well crafted. There's Charlie, who is kind, honest, and always does the right thing, even when it's hard. Then there's Willy Wonka, who is mysterious, eccentric, and loves to play pranks. And of course, there are the other children Augustus, Varuka, Violet, and Mike, each with their unique flaws and personalities. My favorite part of the book is when the children first enter the chocolate room. It's a magical place where everything is made of candy and chocolate. The walls are made of fudge, and the river is made of chocolate. And there are trees that grow lollipops. Roald Dahl has a unique writing style that makes his book so fascinating to children. His stories are full of imagination, whimsy, and humor, making them a joy to read. So, why should you read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Well, it's a timeless classic that will never go out of style. Imagine how exciting it would be to explore a factory where everything is made of chocolate and candy. Reading this Reading this book is like taking a trip to a magical land. And I would highly recommend it to all young readers. I give this book 5 chocolates out of 5. That's a wrap for today's review. But I'll be back next week with another delightful read. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more. So, keep those pages turning and those giggles coming. Until next time, bye.